Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing power availability and safety. Walk the perimeter and confirm breakers and GFCI protection are functional. Once done, decide fixture types. Use narrow beam floods for accents and wide area fixtures for coverage, because beam angle determines spill and glare. Make sure to map the wiring path on site, choosing the shortest protected route and marking underground hazards. While you secure permits if needed, gather cable, conduit connectors, and a voltage tester so you can start installation immediately. Now you install fixtures and run wiring. You should position fixtures low for pools and higher for facades. Clamp and temporarily power each light to preview coverage so you can tweak spacing. Once satisfied, run outdoorated cable in conduit, keeping connections above grade and using waterproof gel connectors. Label each run. After wiring the circuit to a timer or photocell, test with a light meter or camera to check lux levels and adjust aim to remove hotspots. If wiring crosses walkways, protect it with conduit or bury to code. To finish, set up controls. Program timers, connect photocells, or add dimmers and smart relays so you manage runtime and intensity. This saves energy and prevents neighbor complaints. Make sure every junction is sealed with silicone and heat shrink where needed, tighten mounts, and tidy conduit runs for longevity. If you see flicker, dim output, or uneven illumination, measure voltage at the farthest fixture. Once done, inspect for loose connections, undersized cable, or bad drivers. Fixing those 3 issues solves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.